Best 10 AI prompt guides and tutorials for text-to-image models. Creating images with text-to-image generation models can be challenging. However, with the release of Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALL-E 2, prompt engineering is becoming a new profession. This video will summarize the top 10 AI prompt guides and tutorials for text-to-image models. Lars Nielsen's guide focuses on text-to-image prompts for Midjourney. It suggests using specific prompts to provide a structure for your writing. Leone Monegatti's guide provides quick prompt engineering tips for DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. Vanessa Arnold's tutorial provides examples of AI-created images and explains how to interact with the AI. Maximilian Schreiner's guide provides an overview of DALL-E 2's features and the fine art of prompt creation. Prompt Hero's guide includes Stable Diffusion samples and hints to help you produce great images. Striking Lou's guide provides examples of fantasy, science fiction, and steampunk illustrations created with Stable Diffusion. Michael Taylor's tutorial provides a prompt engineering template to get started with AI picture and text production tools. Nick Lewis's guide provides prompt guides and ideas for getting the best outcomes with Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, or Midjourney. By Surrealism Today. Surrealism Today's tutorial explains what AI art is, how it's created, and the advantages and drawbacks of using this technology. These 10 AI prompt guides and tutorials provide valuable insights into creating images with text-to-image generation models. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these guides can help you improve your skills and produce high-quality images.